Pipe Cleaner Princess, and today we will be making Vanellope from Wreck-It Ralph Pipe Cleaner Mickey Ears. Yes, this has a lot of pipe cleaners. So what you will need is 3 red pipe cleaners, 1 teal/blue pipe cleaner, 1 bumpy blue pipe cleaner, and same with the pink, 1 pink pipe cleaner, and 1 bumpy pink pipe cleaner, 1.5 white pipe cleaners, 2 black pipe cleaners, 1 brown pipe cleaner, 1 tan pipe cleaner, a light pink or another white pipe cleaner, and 1 light green pipe cleaner. Oh, and scissors. So to begin, you are going to be taking, I know this is a lot, but we're going to take these 2 and the white, and we're going to twist them all together so that it's into like 1 pipe cleaner. And there you go. Once you do that, it's basically like 1 pipe cleaner. So this is like her pants, because her pants are like white, red, and blue striped. So we're going to do almost the same thing, but not with the white. You're just going to twist the blue and the pink bumpy pipe cleaner together. And then once you do that, this is your base pipe cleaners. So you're going to twist them together at the ends like this. Just wrap them around each other. And then you're going to take the other ends and you're going to twist them together at the ends like this. And then for the arch, there's going to be even more twisting, lots of twisting in this one, because this is a colorful, fun pipe cleaner Mickey ears. So for this one, you're just twisting 2 red pipe cleaners together to make a Twizzler. I thought this was super cool, so yeah. There you go. Once you've twisted it, this is your arch. So you're going to twist it at the place you twisted these 2 base pipe cleaners. You're going to take the other side and you're going to twist it on the other side as well. And then just straighten the arch. And then that is your base. For the Mickey ears, I'm going to do black because Vanellope's hair is black. So I'm going to twist it onto the arch right about right here. And I'm going to take the other side and I'm going to twist it right next to it. And then I'm just going to make sure it looks like a Mickey ear by making it round. And that's 1. So I'm going to flip it over again. And I'm going to take the other black one and I am going to do the same exact thing. There we go. You got both of your Mickey ears. And now is the fun part. This is where you get to decorate this with any like candy you can make out of pipe cleaners. So we're going to set this aside, and with your other pipe cleaners you are going to be making candy. So I am just going to be making like a candy cane, a pretzel, and some other stuff like that. I'm going to fast forward this, so definitely take time to be creative on this and think of as many candy ideas as you can. So there we go. I decorated this with the candy. I did cut out a little bit, so I just made a little spearmint peppermint thing, I don't know. And then I made a pretzel and just connected it. And yeah, again, this is a creative and fun pipe cleaner Mickey ear. So just have fun with it and be crazy with the putting the candy on. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye!